More you niggas heads from here on the fuck out, yeah. Yeah, with a nigga too. I just wrote this shit. What a nigga gonna do to me? I ain't a gangster or a thug, but I must admit I got some loose screws to me. So that mean that it ain't nothing you could do to me. Whenever you facing the guard, you will lose to me. Chicks choosing me, it's nothing new to me. See me, fuck it, you ain't gonna get nothing anyway. Any day I could be on some fucking shit. So truthfully, niggas don't know who they fucking with. I'm like Ray off the injury, or Ray Nathan off of Sugar Hill. There's always money over bitch to me. So I'ma get rich eventually, or die trying, I'm not lying. Sit with me in dialogue, I rhyme hard. The shit that I say will have an atheist say, oh my God. I'm on my job with no clock to punch in. I'm eating, I'm lunching. I'm always working up a good appetite after fucking. I'm always finding some new shit for me to jump in. Yeah, I get it jumping. I get money by any means necessary. It's all black every day like February. I got shooters, Wayne Perry, Steph Curry, Jay Terry, now West like Jerry. Did you catch it? How I throw the rice? You gotta know I'm nice. Russian roulette, gamble your life like you rolling dice. You crap out if you fucking with me. I told you once, now I'ma tell you again. You ain't fucking with me. President Clinton, nigga. I'm on my president shit, you hear me? Follow the move.